Milescraft DrillMate allows you to drill straight and angled holes on the edge of a board or even round stock. The design of the head allows for maximum travel. While using the DrillMate with a spring and depth stop, you can achieve a maximum travel of 6.3 inches. While using the DrillMate without the spring and depth stop, you can achieve a maximum travel of 8.23 inches, allowing you to drill far past the base of the DrillMate. The product comes with a removable depth stop for drilling to a precise depth every time. With the all-metal angle locks, you can drill at angles of 45, 60, 75, and 90 degrees. It also comes with a removable handle for added stability when drilling. The base of this product is very innovative and is self-centering when drilling on narrow stock. On the top of the base, you will find two V-groove channels that allow you to drill through a round stock without your piece slipping. There are 4 TPE feet to prevent marring and slipping on your workpiece. You can also drill screws through the holes in the base to mount the DrillMate into a secured position. The Milescraft DrillMate is all metal construction and is a very precise and accurate portable drill press.
The Milescraft Track Saw Guide turns any circular saw into a precision-guided track saw system. Eliminate risky freehand cutting that winds up costing valuable time, money, and frustration. Achieve perfectly straight cuts whether you are ripping sheets up to 50 inches long, cross-cutting, or angle cutting. Unlike other track saw systems, the all-aluminum base and rail construction increases the rigidity of the track saw guide. This reduces the flex and play found in plastic saw guides and provides a more accurate cut. The aluminum base is lined with anti-friction pads that glide along the rails for smooth and easy operation. Additionally, dial in a preferred tension setting using the included glide adjusters. The base of the track saw guide is universal, fitting most circular saws in the market with blades up to 7 1/4 inches. If you have a circular saw, you're good to go. Using the saw guide spacer, you can mix and match different saws, but always achieve the exact same results following the cutting guide. Aligning the track saw guide is fast and easy. Simply align each end of the rail to the cutting mark. The red cutting strip acts as a guide, and the blade will cut directly up to the edge. It also helps to apply pressure right up to the edge of the cut, preventing chipping and splintering. Long anti-slip strips on the bottom of the rails keep the track saw guide in place. For a more secure cut, use the included T-track clamps to lock the rails onto the workpiece. The track saw guide can extend from 27.5 inches to as long as needed with available rail additions. The low profile also cuts deep enough to handle common interior doors. The Milescraft track saw guide system is also versatile and portable. Don't fight with bulky sheets of wood and fixed permanent table saw setups. The track saw guide brings the saw to the workpiece, both in the shop or in the field. and achieves perfectly straight cuts anywhere. Get more out of your circ saw and put it to work as the ultimate cutting machine. The Milescraft Track Saw Guide can rip, angle, and cross-cut fast, easy, and accurately. Milescraft. Always the better idea.
DEWALT's TSTAK organizers are comprised of 4 modular storage units. With each unit sold separately, they offer a customized solution for convenience and transportability. Regardless of the trade you work in, this system allows you to build a personalized storage unit around your job's needs. Ball bearing slides help each unit to open and close easily. Furthermore, they have bimaterial handles for comfortable lifting. The units are made of a durable polypropylene to withstand the regular job site rigors that toolboxes endure. For storing small parts and accessories, this unit has 2 drawers with dividers in each one. This is beneficial for organization and accessibility. The second unit contains 4 small and 2 large removable cups with lids inside of a pull-out drawer. This allows electricians and other tradesmen to easily store hand tools and organize small parts. These 2 units are ideal for carpenters and tradesmen carrying their power tools. Both contain large storage spaces and can fit a customizable foam or plastic insert to help protect your tools while transporting the unit. The large handled unit helps for ease of carrying and contains an organizer for small parts. This new line of storage products are ideal for professionals such as technicians, electricians, HVAC installers, contractors, finish carpenters, and a host of other tradesmen. Rely on a trusted name that's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Rely on DEWALT.